Project 1, Task 1. Save the current theme to the Geometrics Templates folder as Sphere Flyer. Save the current theme to the Geometrics Templates folder as Sphere Flyer. To do this, let's go to the Design tab. Then in the Document Formatting group, select the drop down as under the Themes feature. So select Save Current Theme. Okay, so to the Geometrics Templates folder, just select Geometrics Templates folder, then right here type Sphere Flyer, Sphere Flyer, Sphere Flyer. Okay, so Geometrics Templates folder, Sphere Flyer. So click Save. That is done. Task 1 mark completed. Now task 2. Rename the important macro, emphasize, save the change. Name the important macro, emphasize, save the change. Okay, to do this, go to the View tab, then in the macros group, you select the drop down, then select View Macros. Right here, you select the macro name important and select Edit. Okay, so here you carefully delete important and type emphasize. Okay, emphasize. So save the change. So to save the change, just click the save here and go to file and click close and return to Microsoft Word. Okay, task 2 mark completed. Now task 3. Set the application default font to Rockwell Condensed 18 point with a dark blue color for this document only. Set the application default font to Rockwell Condensed 18 point with a dark blue color for this document only. Okay, to do this, go to the Home tab. Then in the font group, select the font dialog box launcher. Okay, so right here, just type Rockwell. Okay, just select Rockwell Condensed. Then you have 18 points. Select 18 points and dark blue. So ensure this is dark blue and set as default. Okay, for this document only, so you select this document only and click OK. So that is done. So task 3 mark completed. Now task 4. Limit formatting to the selection of styles. Do not start enforcement. Limit formatting to the selection of styles. Do not start enforcement. Okay, to do this, go to the Review tab and you select that in the Protect group. You select the drop down and select Restrict Editing. Okay, limit formatting to selection of styles. So select that. Then do not start enforcement. Don't click here to start enforcing protection. No. So task 4 mark completed. Now task 5. Combine the changes in the 365_WE_201_ fair add_edited file in the Geometry Templates folder into 365_WE_201_ fair add. Show the combined changes in the original document 365_WE_201_ fair add. Accept all changes and stop tracking. Combine the changes in the 365_WE_201_ fair add_edited file in the Geometry Templates folder into 365_WE_201_ fair add. Show the combined changes in the original document 365_WE_201_ fair add. Accept all changes and stop tracking. Okay, to do this, let's go to the Review tab. Then in the Compare group, select the drop down and select Combine. Now, original document, just browse to the fair add as the original document, click Open. Okay, then in the revised document, so under here, just select, you can browse to uh, fair add edited and open. Okay, now show the changes in the original document. So show changes in the original document and select okay. Then keep formatting changes from the other document. So as a fair add underscore edited. So continue with merge and accept all changes and stop tracking. So go to the changes group, select the drop down, accept, and the other accept. So select drop down under accept and select accept all changes and stop tracking. Okay, task 5 mark completed. Okay, as done.